Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just a few minutes ago, I made a video on this. And while I was naming it, I mentioned, I actually called it, I don't know what to call this one, but reverse colors. As soon as I said that, I thought, in the 18 years that I've been using Corel Draw, I've never used this. And it's pretty cool. So I'm going to Control D, alternate C, and have this thing rotate a negative 45 degrees. So I have, and if you remember, and you know, that would look pretty cool within itself. But if we will take this one now and go to Effects and down to Transformation and invert colors. Look how fast that was. Control G, Control D, alternate C, rotate 90 degrees this time. Well, I didn't Control D it. Whenever I do that, I go back to 0, and then I'll Control D the other way around. So you get the same effect. But instead of making 2 of these, I just had to make 1. So if you watch the first video, well, you still need to watch the first video. It's not called part 1, but it's got the same name. And this is part 2. So in 18 years of using Corel, I've never got to use transform colors or invert colors because most of the time there's just one color and not another color. But this time it worked like it should. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.